Oh, okay. Yeah. Thanks for that.
You understand? Do you actually
Yes.
understand? Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. Let's see it very clearly. So there we are. Okay. Now you actually see this. Like the market created some sort of this movement. Like went down, okay? Created this. And then this, and then this. This is what we see here. This, okay?
Okay.
Now you understand that, is it?
Yeah.
So this is what? This is what we call, what do we call this?
A choke.
Yeah, true. This is a choke. Now, if this is a choke, and we see choke, what do we expect? We expect to draw our order block somewhere. Is it?
Order block. Yes.
Yeah. That one, is it?
Yeah.
So after we draw that, and actually, if you want to know this is a strong order block, just try to look at imbalances here. You will see imbalances. Look at this area here. That's
yeah.
that line up to there. There is a gap. You see that gap? From this first candle, second candle, third candle, is it? We have a gap here. Yeah, this is a fair value gap. And now, you know, we have our order block right here. So we draw our order block there. Okay? Is it? And
yes. Yes.
Our order block, the last opposite candle, is it? The last red candle before this red candle is an order block. Now what we actually do, we wait for a retracement. Okay? Let us see. Wait for a retracement. If we see a retracement, that's our order block. But sometimes we may not see a retracement. Okay?
Yes.
So like here, you see the market, what the market did here. I don't know if it respects our order block. No, see, it's actually continuing to go up. So what that means is that this order block was not respected, but actually you can see that the market continued to go up, is it? So there are different other opportunities in the market here. We don't see our market, I don't see the market respecting this order block, but you can actually see the market respecting some other points where we can actually draw some order blocks, because this was a change of character. We have this movement again. Look at this area. This level was taken. Let me show you this level. You see this level? This is it. This was taken. We saw this change of character here, but we see this change. We see this, the market breaking this level, is it? Yeah, so now we can actually see that the market broke this level. And we can actually see, like here, we had some red candles here too. 1, 2. You see this 1, 2 candles. So in this area, we can actually see opposite candles, is it? So, and to see this, to see it in an easy way, we have to, what am I doing here? We saw now the market did not respect our first order block, is it?
Yes.
So now let's take an example now. We are actually here. Okay, yeah. So if you see like we are right here, you are trying to find opportunities, and you see this in the market, you will actually know that you have some like 2 order blocks, is it? You have this, the first one down, and you have this ones here.
Yes.
Okay? And also you see like the market broke this level again, is it?
Yes.
Now you can actually say, I saw this, the first change of character here, and now I can see this. This we can call now break of structure, okay? Because change of character occurred here.
Yes.
Now you can, when you are trying to draw your order blocks, you will not just draw this, you will also draw this one, because this is a part of an order block. This one here. It's an order block.
Okay.
So you extend it. So you have when you use this, because even this one is the lower one, this one, there has a red candle here, okay? Close to this one. So just like the same thing. So you just have to put your stop loss. You put your stop loss below this, the lower, the red candle.
Okay.
Okay. So
But order block is for the second upside candle.
this one, because it's the last red candle before these two big candles.
Okay.
Yeah. So you have to make sure it is last opposite candle. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
So now we can actually see the last opposite candle was this before we saw a break of market structure, is it? And also we saw a big momentum. You see these very big candles, okay? So actually, when you are trying to ask yourself which one is your very strong order block right here, you have to know, where do you see those criteria that I explained to you the last time? I don't know when I remember I explained to you about, we have to see a very big momentum, is it?
Yes.
And also we have to see a break of market structure. And also we have to see what we call some fair value gaps in the market, is it?
Yes.
So even in this one, this order block, this one, the one that we have drawn just recently, this one, the one to the upside, okay?
Okay.
This becomes a strong order block. Why? Because you see this very big momentum to the upside, and they cause what? Break of market structure, is it?
Yes.
So what you do, you just wait for the market to come back to this order block, okay? But remember also we have this order block down here.
Yes.
Now we are not sure which order block to take. We are asking ourselves. That's the reality. You will ask yourself, now what can I do? I have two order blocks, okay? I have two order blocks now, and I don't know which order block will be strong to me. What you have to do, just wait for, if you see like we have two order blocks, just have to look at the one that you see is full of those, what we call, is showing you the criterion in a very simple way. You see like the market is showing you good setup, okay? Why? Because here we can actually see which order block has a very strong momentum. Is it the first one down here or this one? The second one. Which one do you see is having some clear candles? You see candles with very good body, you see? The second one has, this one has candles which are very nice. You see very big momentum. They are simple and they are only two. But look at this one. This one has this one big candle a little bit, but this one, the following are full of, you see these wicks, very long wicks to the downside, wicks to the upside, is it? So actually here you see like we were slowing down, is it? The market we had sellers. If you see a very long wick to the downside, that means sellers entered here. Again, buyers crossed the lights here, but again here you see sellers again, you see? But actually when you look at this order block, you see these green candles. There are no competition between buyers and sellers, is it? You see just buyers here, big green candle, is it? Big green candle, no wicks. We call the wick rejections. So actually this is a clean order block, okay? Because we don't see like the market created some candles which are full of wicks. We just see candles with a very big momentum, okay?
Yes.
So we actually expect to see like the market touching this and then expecting our order block, okay?
Okay.
So let us see how it goes. I think like, I don't know what is happening. Yeah, there we are. You see that? You see that movement? So the market went above this, it traced the here back again, tried to add some slow movements, but again it came back down here. It respected the same order block. Okay.
Yes.
So we can actually see price is just inside our is spread inside our order block, right? And now you can see this momentum to the upside. Okay. See this?
Okay.
So actually, this was a strong order block. Why? Because it has very clear candles, clean candles.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
and so yeah.
So which candle will you to confirm to enter the trade?
You enter when you see a retracement. This one, see this?
Yes.
This was a point for you to enter. You enter here. When you enter, you just press your stop loss below this, okay, at this level.
So we don't need to have a confirmation candle, or just when the price go back to this area, just enter the trade. Do you know what I mean?
When you actually, confirmation does not come always, okay? That's why we usually say you have to have your strategy, believe in your strategy, and execute according to your strategy, okay? Our analysis was like this. We saw break of market structure, is it?
Yes.
We saw a very strong movement to the upside. We are expecting to see the market coming back into our order block, and then we continue buying, is it?
Oh.
Now, if you say you wait for confirmation, if you want a confirmation, you have to go to lower time, okay?
Yeah.
You just, for example, if you want a confirmation, you are supposed to do this. You are supposed to wait for the market to touch here to your order block, then you go to lower time frame, like there. Let me show you. Like there now, you see?
The price, the price touch the order block. Yes.
If you want a confirmation, you go to lower time frame. That was 5. Now we go maybe to 1 minute. You go to 1 minute to the lower time frame. You go to 1 minute. You wait for a break of market structure to the upside, and then a retracement. Let me try to. I saw not very slow today. Network is very boring today. Like here now, you see we are in 1 minute. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is 1 minute. So what you do, now the market has come back to my order block right here. So what am I actually going to do? I'm actually going to wait for a break of market structure, maybe to the upside. Okay. We're waiting for a break of market structure here. Okay. Do you actually understand that?
Okay. Looking for another
confirmation now.
break of structure.
Yeah. So for you to confirm now, you can actually enter.
Yeah.
So you wait how the market plays out. So up to here, we have not seen some clear break of market structure to the upside. Okay.
Yes.
Let's spread it out. Now the market is actually consolidating. Okay. You see like a consolidation. Now this is an area for you to be very careful. There we are. Okay. This was some sorts of consolidation here. Okay.
Yes.
Zone was consolidating. So this is an area where you have to be very, very, very careful. Yeah. Now we see consolidation. Now we come to what we call liquidity. Okay. Here.
Yes. Okay.
So this is a consolidation here. Now this is some sort of liquidity.
Okay.
Now what you do, you wait for the market to take out this liquidity, and you see this movement with these red candles. You see these red candles.
Yeah.
They took out this lower level, is it? Now they are going. Now we see this movement to the upside. So actually, we have to wait to see this high, because this is a new high now. Is our swing high, is it? Which was created. Now you wait for that market to take out that. Let's see. So you see how it takes time now, because this was an area where we actually see like there were no strong movements. Now there, I think that is, yeah, this one. Break of structure, is it? The market went above this point, okay?
Yes.
Now where are your what you call, now where are your order blocks now? For you to confirm this uptrend, okay?
The right candle around
We have this.
no,
If we are going to look for what we call areas for confirmation, we have several order blocks.
that one, yes.
This one.
Yes.
Is an order block, and there is some sort of imbalance if you look here.
Yes.
But also we have this. We have this. Also, there is this one. This is an order block. Okay? It has not been mitigated now. So there are about 3 order blocks now. Okay?
Yes.
Now you don't know which one. Now you don't know which one will respect. Now you don't know which one will respect, which one will be respected. So now we are actually going to do what? We are going to wait for a retracement. We see that sort of retracement. Okay?
Yes.
Let's see how it plays out. Do we see any retracement here? Let me increase the speed. Now look at this. Now this cannot be a valid order block. Why? Because you see, no any candles that crossed here, which indicated like we are going up. There is no any sign of a bullish candle here. It was full of candles, is it? So this is not a good area for you to say maybe you can enter a trade. What about this? About this one, you see, actually, you see here, we close with, we have this bullish candle now, okay?
Yes.
So now we're actually asking ourselves, are we going to choose which one? Are we going to choose this? Or are we going to wait for this?
For me?
Yeah. Are you going to choose this one, or we are going to wait for the lowest one?
I'm not sure.
Yeah, you cannot be sure because you cannot expect to know what happens in the future. Okay. It is not easy for you to understand. What you have to make sure you just know. You just have to make sure you know your confirmation criteria. Just have to make sure you know what you just know your strategy. No, me, I just execute when I see this. Okay. And you have to make sure that is the only time you are going to execute. For me, I can actually trade. I'm actually going to trade right here.
Yes.
Where we are now here, I'm going to take a trade. Okay.
Yeah, where you are going to take a trade.
I'm going to take a trade because you can actually see like the market did not respect this one, because you saw the market went down with a very strong momentum with very long, a lot of red candles. But actually here, I see like the market was slowing down here. Okay.
Yeah.
I can see some buyers entering the market, because you can actually see like some green candles now are appearing here. You see?
Yes.
Some green candles, 1, 2, 3. Again, we had this movement to the downside. Again, we have this very big green candle. Very big green candle. Now, to me, this gives me a confirmation that I can actually take this trade. Why? Because this is my order block.
Yes.
This is my order block, and it has all criteria. A retracement has occurred here. I can see the market.
Order block and the
see,
momentum.
Yeah, and I can actually see this candle here closing. This candle closing a very big momentum. Okay.
Yes.
Now this is, for me, is the right place. I can take a trade. I can take this trade. Okay.
Okay.
So it is up to the market now to decide. Some people are usually lying that I have to make sure when I teach my student, I show them what is actually profitable to me. No, executing a trade is always, we don't know. We have no control of what the market will do. Okay. So actually, this is an area where I can actually take a trade. And I put my stop loss below this, the order block. Okay, there. Now I can actually focus on this high, the short-term high, this one. Okay.
Okay.
So actually, this can be a place for me. For me, this is my entry. I enter this trade right here. I don't know what will happen, but I am actually sure about my strategy. Okay.
Yeah.
Why? Because I saw. Yes.
Yeah, I'm misunderstanding about the trading.
Yes.
I saw you will enter at when we break up before. Okay, I don't know the time.
When?
Go back. No,
Here.
no, go back.
Here.
Yeah. When you break the last line, I saw we got a confirmation, so we enter here. The last line. Yes. This one.
This one.
No. Go right.
Right here.
The momentum break up. Yes.
Here. Here or where?
Can you stop the mouse? Yeah. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right.
I have to count 6 candles up.
Yes.
This green is 1, 2, 3, 4.
Stop.
Yeah.
Go left 1.
This.
Yes. I saw we enter here. No.
An entry here.
Yeah, I sold before. Yeah, before when I trade, I enter here.
Yeah, you took an entry here.
Yeah.
You are trading break and retest.
Yes.
That's another strategy, break and retest.
Okay. So it's not a right
if you are trading
strategy.
Yeah, this is not, there is no order block here. So this is a break and retest. Just like you saw the market block this level, now you are waiting for a retest and then you continue. That's what.
So we always we have to waiting for the price retest the order block.
Not just the order block, it may respect the imbalance. It may fill the imbalance. Okay.
Okay.
So it is always, and that's why we usually have to locate an imbalance close to our order block. Okay.
Okay. So the price have to, and I misunderstand this part. You say
it's
because I misunderstand. Yeah, I misunderstand when we draw the order block and then we draw the imbalance.
Yes.
And the price go back to fill the imbalance.
Yes.
And does need the price touch the order block? Because I'm confused about the function. Why we need to find the imbalance and order block?
Okay. It's like this.
An
order block, okay, is an area where we actually saw the what we call the market makers. Okay. They placed a lot of amount of money there. So we saw, and they placed a lot of money there. And the reason for us to say they placed a lot of money there is when we see a very strong momentum. Okay. That means buyers were very much in control there. It means a lot of money was pumped there. That's why we see a very strong momentum to the upside. Okay.
Yes.
So if you see that, that means from that point where we saw that strong momentum is where we actually spotted that this is an area where market makers started to go to enter the market and push the market. Okay. So after you see that, that means when they push the market to the upside, is a very strong momentum. they will create like an imbalance between buyers and sellers.
Ah, I think I understand you. Imbalance means the imbalance between the buyers and sellers.
Yeah.
So then when the price go back to feel the imbalance, it
Yes.
means the buyers and sellers is equal now.
Yeah, now they can actually
So
continue.
and then we see the momentum, and so we know the direction.
Yeah.
Ah, got it.
Did you
Thanks.
get a point there?
Ah, pardon?
Did you understand that point?
Yeah, I understand now. Yeah.
Yeah. So the imbalance is for buyers and sellers, no balance, because that's why we usually say for when you see buyers, there should be sellers. Okay. So when you see a very strong momentum, so you will not see some buyers and sellers there. You just see some certain kind of traders. If it is buyers, you will see only buyers. Okay. So they will need actually to come back to that area where they created an imbalance and then continue. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. To
Okay.
equalize. They have to make sure they equalize between buyers and sellers. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Did you get it?
Can you? Yeah, I get it. Can you create a chart so I can see the result?
How?
I mean, just keep going with the chart. Play it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, you start here, you enter the trade. And what happened?
Whoa!
Oh.
We are out.
So
Why?
when I play test, I should play test like this.
When you?
Yeah, when I do the back test.
Yes.
Okay, got it.
When you're back testing, make sure you don't know what is happening. Like here, we don't know. All of us here, we don't even know. That's what
Yes.
will tell you. That's what will be a practice. You don't have to go and look at charts where you had profits. Okay.
Okay.
Now you can actually
So
see here.
interesting.
This is where we are. What happened? The market took us out. Okay. Took us out of the market. And what happened here?
Yes.
Didn't touch our order block down here. This down order block. We didn't see any retracement here. But what we actually see is the market filling the gap. This.
Yes.
So this is a gap. Let me remove this. You see this. This is a gap here, is it? It's a gap because why? Because we had very strong momentum to the upside. Okay.
Okay.
There's a lot of green candles.